It'll get fixed soon. Right. Right folks, so I know we're not in the GTI, but trust me, today is a good day. The reason why it's a good day is because of a couple of things. First of all, it's sunny. That's always a good start to a day in the UK. But the main thing is my channel got featured on the trending page today on YouTube. Big achievement for me, man. I thought I just had to share this with you lot today. Yeah, they sort of emailed me yesterday that I'm going to be featured in the Creators on the Rise kind of thing. So when you go on the homepage, that my channel is fully featured there. I'll show you guys now anyway. Alright, so here on trending, all the usual like crazy videos, and then bang, there's the golf. The high mileage golf is on the trending page. Literally don't know what to say, guys. I mean, all I can say is just thank you to all of you guys who've been supporting the channel. I've been doing it for about 2 years now, making videos. And yeah, this is the first time I've ever had anything like this. Like YouTube recognized the channel, man. It's just crazy. It's still kind of blowing my mind as well, because I just woke up to that email yesterday, and I said within the next 24 hours. And I wake up today and just bang, it's there on the UK trending page. But yeah, I thought I had to share that with you guys. Like, you know, I want to keep you a lot bit more up to date with what's going on now with the channel, keep a regular content, all of that stuff. But yeah, moving on to the plan for today's video. The GTI is not getting fixed today, but we have got a few things to discuss. The reason being for that will be made clear once I come back, because we're actually going to go head over now to Volkswagen dealership. We're going to collect the broken part for that beauty over there. I mean, you guys who are new to the channel, this is the first video you're watching. That's my new project car. It broke like a cooler hose or something like that. You'll see in the previous video if you want to go check that out. And yeah, nah man, we got on the trending page today, guys. Maybe we'll get close to 50k subs just from that. Who knows? We're on like 48.2 or something. But yeah, enough of that excitement rambling. We'll head over to the dealership. Once we get back from there, I got some other good news to share with you guys. So yeah, plenty of good news today. Right, I know a lot of you guys are Volkswagen fans, but yeah, I thought I'd give you a lot of startup. Still all standard. It's crazy that it's this sunny in February. Here was me expecting snow, and we've got what, 18-degree temps in the middle of the day. It's like 12 now or something, and it's only 10:30. Right folks, so here we are, Volkswagen in Solihull. Volkswagens everywhere. I know, obviously, as it is a dealership. Pretty ironic considering I'm in a BMW today. I'm just waiting for one of the service lads to come out. He hooked me up with some good prices on the parts that I need. But yeah, we are going to explain the full sketch with today's video once we get back home. Right guys, so I've got the part that I need. The main thing that snapped off, which was this end bit on the existing sort of cooler junction pipe. Also got some G13 coolant, all the official stuff. I'm going to give a quick shout out to Sakib from Volkswagen Solihull. Plugged me a bit, I'm not gonna lie. So we are going to be coming back here to do an inspection video, like a proper official thing, as you can see. Proper VW dealership, you know, the underside kind of inspection thing that I said we were going to do. We're going to do it here now. See, look, Birmingham, we've got a Porsche dealership, we've got Ferrari, we've got Volkswagen, Volvo, everything in one place. Anything you want. Right, so got all the parts out. Take this lovely thing that we all love. Right, so put that there. If you guys watched the previous video, you will know that this pipe here just exploded. Right, so you see this end bit here, it's actually snapped off and in there now. It's supposed to be like that. So I have bought the right part. I think what we'll do, we'll hop in the GTI, because yeah, there's no like seagulls or anything distracting us today. We've literally got what, like a, sounds like a war zone in the background. Right guys, apologies if it seems a bit like a filler video. See more as like a midweek update kind of. The reason why we're not doing it today is because I might be working with a very well-known company. I spoke to him yesterday. They might be sending out some silicone hoses for us, so like a full coolant hose kit. So rather than me just putting this on and getting cracking, we might as well wait till the hoses come, maybe in a couple of days. Do it all, do like an installation video. And yeah, get the GTI back up and running. The thing is, I have been going through the service documents yesterday. I'll actually show you guys now. I think I've got it in the M2 actually, so I might do. I think I bought it outside. Right, so this is one of the service documents, got loads. There's one particular thing that I want to just highlight though, on a totally different matter, of course, not related to what we're talking about. See, if you guys can see there on the first line, it says they replaced both rear springs. Now The reason why I'm bringing this up is because I've noticed this car sits quite high. You guys tell me, has this had GTI springs put on it, or these just standard Mark V springs, you know, when they were replaced? Because it looks quite high to me. So I don't know if it was just replaced with standard SE springs. We'll zoom in there. If you look at the arch gap, it's a bit confusing, to be honest. I've gone through the rest of the service documents. There doesn't seem to be too many red flags. One thing I did notice also, like I said, I'm going to share everything with you lot. I've noticed a slight, looks like oil on the side of the cam chain cover there. Now that was there from the start, so I don't know what's going on. The car was running fine, so I don't know if this was from before and the engine base has not been degreased, but that is something that we need to resolve. The oil cap, I probably will pick up the R8 oil cap. But yeah, in terms of the hoses, this one, this radiator hose, all of these, they'll be replaced with silicone ones. We are going to attempt the installation video ourselves, well, me anyway. I have bought jack stands and I've got a jack now and everything proper, so just need to find an appropriate place to jack it up, because the wasteland back there, as I'll show you, is not very level, so I don't want to jack up the car here. This is a bit inclined, but we'll see how it goes anyway. I am looking to get that tidied up at the back there, so we've got more space, get it all slabbed up, get a nice space to work on the cars, because this is just unacceptable. The other thing I have noticed is it had to replace my rocker cover, because it was leaking oil in the past. I believe that was, the invoice is about 6 years old, so the car's clearly had it repaired and it's gone fine for the next 100,000 miles or whatever it did since then. So maybe that's all fine, but yeah, the inspection will bring up any other red flags. As you can see, it's still holding coolant, which is a bit odd. We didn't put that much water in it and it's still holding. It was flying out here that day, but yeah, we won't drag on that topic too far. But yeah, that's pretty much it for what I've found. The rest of the service history is more just like oil changes and stuff. So I had 2 cam belts done. I checked that over, one at 70k and one at 160, I think. So that's all up to date, but we might need to check it again, who knows. Another thing it does need is an oil change. Yeah, I don't think the car's had an oil change or a service in about 6,000–7,000 miles, so we do need to get that done. That is another video idea I am proposing. I've never done like a service or oil change here in my backyard, so it might be an interesting one. This car is literally a learning process for me, so I'm not a pro or nothing like that, but the whole point I got it is to sort of practice. So that might be cool. I've got all the tools. I'll get the bits from Volkswagen dealer. This is going to go soon as well, hopefully get an intake sorted, so we don't have to run this slightly better looking engine cover now. It was really bad before, but now they've cleaned it up, it's not too bad. But I'd rather have my intake and everything separate to an engine cover. It's weird, these things have the air filter in the engine cover. Weird design. Right guys, I think what we'll do, we'll wrap up the video here. I was a little update on the GTI. It's still all good, nothing's too bad. A few little bits of the service history that I need you guys to clarify, if you can clarify. Let me know if you do like these. We won't be doing loads of these, you know, I'll just be like mainly getting work done in these videos. I don't want to drag it out too much. I want to get stuff done, but the situation I'm in today, yeah, I just had to share with you guys, you know, the whole trending situation. And I also might be working with the company now with getting some parts on the GTI. So, but yeah guys, enough of all that rambling. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and I'll see you in the next one very soon.